today I just wanted to share a few things about me that I realized after living abroad. And if you also live away from home, you might relate to some of these. So, when I was back home, I always had so much of energy to go out, meeting friends, going out for dinners, random plans, last minute hangouts. I never wanted to stay at home. Being at home for too long or would actually make me feel bored. But now I feel very different. You can call it adulting, or maybe it's just life abroad. But even though I still love the freedom to go out, sometimes I actually have to push myself to make plans. And strangely, I have realized I have started enjoying my own company a lot more. I have completely comfortable spending time alone, doing my own thing, sitting quietly, watching something, or just relaxing at home. And I don't feel lonely anymore. It actually feels peaceful. The other thing I have noticed is that simple daily tasks now give me genuine joy. Things like cooking for myself, trying new recipes, washing dishes, doing my own laundry, organizing my home, decorating it the way I like. These things I probably never thought twice about before, but now they give me strange sense of satisfaction. And now with that, my responsibility actually starts feeling good. I have two dogs and many plants at home, and taking care of them genuinely makes me feel happy. It feels like I have created my own little world and that I am responsible for, and that responsibility actually feels meaningful. The other thing is, living abroad makes you feel extremely self sufficient. You learn to solve a problem on your own, manage your home, manage your time, like handle responsibility and figure out things without always depending on someone else. At the beginning, it can feel overwhelming, but slowly you realize how capable you are actually. And somewhere along the way, your definition of home also changes. Who is no longer just which is no longer just a physical place. It become the life you build for yourself, the routine you create, and the little comfort you make wherever you are. And the last thing that I realized about myself is something quite surprising. I always thought I was an extrovert. I believe that I could talk to anyone, anywhere, anytime, and I was completely comfortable with it. But over time, I realized something interesting. I always have become a little moody, and depending on the context of situation, I can actually be very introverted. There are days where my extremely extrovert personality suddenly disappears, and on those days, I don't feel like talking to anyone. Sometimes I don't feel like talking to my parents. I just want to sit quietly, maybe on the sofa, and become a complete couch potato and just being in my own space without interacting with anyone. And there are also these days in office where I honestly don't feel like seeing anything or saying anything during the meetings. But of course, that's not really an option. So I still have to participate, but intentionally, I know that some days my personality just switches. And that's something I have come to accept about myself. So these are the few things I have realized about myself after living in abroad. And if you also live away from home, you might have noticed some of these changes in yourself too. If you can relate to any of these, let me know in the comments and I would love to hear your experiences. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video.